Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good fun, all the best things, the whole lot, all to you from Melbourne in Australia, at the moment anyway.
That's it?
This isn't an unboxing, mate. It's already been unboxed.
An untubing?
Yeah. And you didn't even get me a knife. What am I supposed to do with this?
You tear into it with your bare strength and...
Yeah, that's going to be embarrassing, but look at this.
Bullion power. Yeah, so they use a special kind of tape, for those that don't know. It makes it a little bit harder to rip than just a standard piece of duct tape or something. But you've managed it.
Not yet, I haven't.
Oh, okay. I figured doing it this way would give us the feeling of an unboxing, because you've actually got to tear into it a bit more.
That's what the theory was.
It was well thought out. Well thought out.
So what are these?
Well, I have a sneaking suspicion that they're Platinum Eagles, but I am going to wait a little bit until we actually get into to properly announce that.
Well, it should be on the listing, I would have thought.
It should be on the title of the video. Okay, so people probably already know. I think they're 2022 American Platinum Eagles, which are always a popular one. We don't tend to see too many variations in the Platinum coin, so it's nice to get some international flavour to it.
Yeah, I love the design on the Platinum Eagle. It has to be one of my favourite Platinum coins.
Although, same as some of the others, are very weird. If you flip it over, it's not always going to do what you expect it to do.
Yeah, well, I'd actually psyched myself into doing a vertical flip on this one.
That's alright, as long as you're aware.
So you can see there, it's 2022. And it doesn't have Her Majesty on the back.
It doesn't. As American coins tend not to.
Yeah, something to do with the 1700s somewhere along the line.
It was a tea party or something. Yeah.
Apparently they didn't like the effigy on their currency anymore.
I think that was the only reason. Yeah.
So, shouldn't make light of those sort of scenarios, should we? So we have the US 2022 1 ounce Platinum Eagle in stock. It's just a quick look at them. You know what they look like. They're a fantastic product. This will probably be the last of the 2022 Platinum Eagles that we get in, I'd say. We're expecting 23s early in the new year. So if you needed to complete your stack or your collection, or you just want some Platinum, grab them now.